Have you ever felt like your hair just won't grow? No matter what you do, you've tried fancy products, spent money on treatments, and still the results are very disappointing. What if I told you that the solution might already be sitting in your kitchen? Yes, one of the most powerful remedies for thicker, longer, and healthier hair is sitting in your kitchen, and we cook with it almost every day. This ingredient I'm talking about is onion. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make onion oil, how it works on the hair, and the exact way you can use it for hair growth. You don't need to buy expensive onion oil from the market. You can easily make it at home. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make mine and how it has been helping me grow out my hair. So first off, you're going to be needing onions. So when you get your onions, you're going to peel the back. After peeling the back, you chop it into smaller pieces. Then you go ahead to wash it. After washing it, you're going to have to either grate it or blend it. Sorry guys, I have cold. You're going to either blend it or you grate it. That way it will be easier for you to infuse it into the oil. Please guys, watch this video to the end so that you won't miss anything, because I added a lot of things to this onion oil to reduce the smell and also to make it more effective. So please, you wouldn't want to miss this. Please, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, turn on your post notifications to know whenever I post a new video. Thank you. Now, I know that so many of you will be wondering why onions. Well, onions are packed with sulfur, which is one of the key building blocks of keratin. Keratin is a protein that makes up our hair strands. Without enough sulfur, hair becomes very weak, brittle, and prone to breakage. By applying onion oil, you are basically feeding your scalp the nutrients it needs to create stronger, fuller hair. Onion oil is also rich in antioxidants, and these fight against free radicals that damage hair follicles. That means it doesn't just keep your hair growing, it also protects it from thinning and premature shedding. Guys, please, if you're blending your onions, please don't add water. Even if you have to add water, just add a little, because onion already has a lot of water in it. And that way the nutrients will be fully intact. So guys, this is what your onion will look like after blending it. So after blending it this way, you're going to put it in a pot or a pan. That is where we'll make the magic happen. When you're done blending or grating your onions, you're going to put it in a pan or a pot. So when you're done putting it, you're going to add oil. You can add any carrier oil of your choice, but in this video, I'm going to be using olive oil as my carrier oil. So I'm going to be adding half and a quarter cup of olive oil. The quantity of the oil you use depends on the quantity of onions, depends on how big or small the onions is. So for this recipe, the onion I use is a little, so I'm going to be making use of a little oil too. So once you're done putting the oil in the pot, you're going to stir properly, then put it on fire. This is what it will look like when you put it on fire. And before you bring this down, you're going to make sure it turns brown this way. And this took about 10 minutes for it to get this dark. So once you notice that it's dark like this, you just bring it down. That means it's ready. So guys, I don't know if I've said it in this video. I'm really sorry. I apologize for the way I'm talking. I have cold, but it won't stop me from making a video for you guys. So that's why I'm talking this way. Yeah. Guys, please, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and join the family. Thank you. So once you bring it down, you're going to leave it for some minutes to get cool down. Then you're going to strain it. Yes, in this video I'm making use of a wig cap, but you can make use of a cheesecloth or a sieve. Yeah, so guys, let's talk about the benefits of onion oil for the hair. So these are the key benefits of onion oil. Now let's break down the top benefits you will experience when using onion oil consistently. Number one, it stimulates hair growth. Onion oil improves blood circulation in the scalp, making sure your follicles get more oxygen and nutrients. This kickstarts dormant follicles and encourages new growth. 2. It strengthens the roots. Because of its sulfur content, it reduces breakage, split ends, and hair thinning. Number 3 is reduces hair fall. Regular use of onion oil can minimize shedding by nourishing and thickening the roots. Number 4, it treats dandruff and scalp infections. Onions have antibacterial and antifungal properties that fight scalp issues, keeping your hair very clean and healthy. Number 5, it adds shine and volume to the hair. The natural oils in onion deeply conditions your strands, leaving them shiny, smooth, and fuller looking. So, guys, for this onion juice, this is not just what I added. Onions is not just what I added. I added some essential oils like lavender oil, peppermint oil, um guys, please watch the video to know the oils I added this oil because of the scent. Onion can be very smelly. Yes, yeah, it has an odor, so this will help with the smell. And they also promote hair growth, like the peppermint oil help with itchy scalp. Both the tea tree oil, they all help with itchy scalp. So everything I'm using in this video are all beneficial to the hair, so don't miss out on anything. But if you don't have all this oil, you can just make do with just your onion and the olive oil. It will still work very fine. So yeah, so I need you to trust me. This is not just claims. Thousands of people have shared before and after transformations after adding onion to their routine, and me too, I can testify as well. So if you're struggling with breakage, if your hair isn't growing as it's supposed to, I honestly want you to give this a try, and you're going to be glad you did. So this is how to use this oil. You're going to apply it directly on your scalp. You're going to massage it gently for about 5 to 10 minutes. You leave it in for an hour or overnight if you can, and wash it off if you want to. But sometimes I don't wash mine off. If you want to use it as a pre-poo, so you're going to wash it out after an hour. For the best results, use onion juice 2 to 3 times a week consistently. Remember, hair growth is a journey. It's not about applying it once and expecting instant results. With patience and consistency, you will start seeing a noticeable difference in thickness and length.